Hello everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I am going to use the Cabe or Cab Cosmetics Day and Night palette that I received in my May BOXY charm. I am still working with this room. It is called my happy room, where I have all the pictures of everything that have happened with my family over the years. So I'm trying to refix it so I don't destroy my pictures. So if you see different backgrounds, it's because I'm still trying to figure out which one works best for what I'm doing, and at the same time to protect my pictures that are hanging everywhere. So bear with me, be patient with me with my backgrounds. Eventually I'll get together, and plus I'm very busy so I'm trying to do a video here, do a video here, do a video here, so I'm trying to get it together. It will soon pass, but that's what's going on. So again, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I want to say please thank you for stopping by, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because on this channel I like to have fun and keep it real. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for staying with me all this time and keep coming back. I appreciate you all very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your support. I appreciate it. And now we are going to start my eyes base. Today I'm using the NYX base, skin tone base. It looks like this. So this is what I have on my eyes already. Brows are done, and we're just gonna dive into it and see what I come up with. No plans, we're just doing stuff, okay? Let's have fun. Take your palette out. I'm using a shimmer to put on the lids. but in another color. I'm not happy with what I'm seeing.
I am back with the finished look. I use the Cab Cosmetics Night Plus Day palette. Again, it looks like this. I used so many colors out of this palette because I was looking for a pop. I wanted the shimmers to pop so much, but it wasn't, so I ended up using maybe 5. But I will show you the colors I use. First color I use is this one right here. They have names. This one right here I use. Then I went into this shimmer right here in the outer corner, but that wasn't working too good, so I went with this color over it. That wasn't giving me a pop, so I darkened the outer corner with this one.
Then I went into the inner corner with this color right here. Wasn't doing much, so I went into this one right here that looks like it have a shift and put it there. So these are all the colors I used today to create this eye look. And it came out nice. But the shimmers are not that bright. They are okay. They are subtle. They're not popping like how I like pop. So that is how it turned out. Anyways, for my bottom liner, I used the Fenty Beauty, this one. It's a retractable one. Once you put it out, it doesn't come back. You have to use everything. That was it. Again, please like, please subscribe to this channel. I would appreciate you joining my YouTube family. Again, always remember self is first. Love self plenty. And the quote I have next to me when I am filming by Zig Ziglar, it says, "Failure is an event, not a person. Yesterday ended last night." Remember that and work it according to you and what you believe in. Again, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Afro, my Afro puff, my Afro puff, my Afro puff. Yeah, 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 yeah.